Wow, here we are. Good morning. We're gonna go back to the 9 Mile Bank, go searching. Here we are, Mission Bay, California, coming into Ski Beach. All right, change of plans. We'll get another shot of the bay. Have to go to Dana Landing instead of Ski Beach. Can't go. Here we are, 6 a.m. We're gonna go search for some tuna. My boy Nom a call, see what's going on with him. I saw that Seaforth posted those boils, and some other guy told me the same thing, and I brought two extra gallons of gas, bro. So I can go till sunset. Yeti life. Woo-wee. Empty on Mission Bay. We're leaving Mission Bay on our way to the 9 Mile Bank in search of some tuna. Solo skiff. Keep searching, keep trolling, keep jigging, keep loving, keep with that gratitude. Woo! Keep moving. It's looking like some blue waters over here. There you have it. Get the morning flyby from the military helicopters. All right, so we're getting out here at the 9 Mile. We got a spotter plane that just flew by overhead. Probably a tuna spotter looking for tuna, but we're in clearer water now, which is a good thing. There's Point Loma in the distance, San Diego. La Jolla's back over there. We're just gonna keep trolling hard all day long. This area, then we're gonna head all the way to La Jolla Weather Buoy, down La Jolla Kel, then back to Mission Bay. Radio check. This is Mikey on the Solo Skiff out here at the upper 9. Anybody got a copy? Wow, there it is. Check that out. A submarine. Hard to see it in the distance on the GoPro, I know, but wow. Dude, now they're blowing stuff up over there. Those two boats there's smoke. 2 military boats. You gotta be careful in that area. They have it on the fish finder as a warning zone for explosives. Wow. Wow. There it is. You can hear that one. Gnarly, bro. Patrolling hard. Wow, getting airborne. Yeah! Savage. And then now in the distance, look at that plane. Bomber plane cruising. Crazy. Got a little of everything. Now check out this ship behind us. Big cargo ship. I wonder where they're going. Somewhere else in the world. But it's all connected with this beautiful ocean. The ocean connects us all. This universe. One verse song. Universe. We're all in it together. I love you all. Hook up on something. Feels like a Bonito. Wow, he popped off. Now we got the helicopter coming in. Trying to fish this temp break right here. The helicopter's landing right next to me. Look at that. Really sure what's going on with this helicopter right now, but he sure is making me uncomfortable. We're gonna go troll away from him. All I'm trying to do is troll the 9 Mile Bank on my Solo Skiff. I got all sorts of vessels. I got the Coast Guard boat over here. mean, I'm allowed to be out here, but I'm trying to practice my social distancing. Everyone's creeping up on me, but it's all good. I love everybody. We're all in this together. Phew. Here we are, it's 1 o'clock now. Still trolling the upper 9. I got a big fishing boat and then an aircraft carrier. A lot of action with other vessels on the water around me today out here. I had a helicopter overhead, lifeguard boat, 2 Navy boats or military boats blowing stuff up. An aircraft carrier, I got this boat. I saw a spotter plane for tuna. So, a lot of action. We got 1 hookup so far on the Bonito, but he popped off on the Nomad, which I'm surprised by. It's like the pressure popped off yesterday. So we're gonna keep trolling here hard. We're going till sunset. Dolphins want to play now. All right, lunchtime. We're gonna keep trolling, but have some of this Bonito jerky, fishermansbelly.com recipe, but it came out really, really good. Wow, perfect on the water snack. Cream chili garlic paste, local Ocean Beach honey from Run for Cover bookstore with coconut, Bragg's coconut aminos. I brine it in that wet brine for about an hour or 2. Take it out of there, don't wash it, don't pat it or anything, and then I put it on a drying rack. Put it on a drying rack with the fan blowing on it, and that will develop the pellicle skin. So that takes about another hour or 2. Then I smoke it on the Traeger. I did this for 6 hours on the smoke setting with the Costco mixed variety bag of pellets, and holy cow, loving it. Woo. Pretty soon you'll be able to get some of your own jerky. Tuna jerky, Bonito jerky. Really, really, really good. Damn. Getting buzzed by the big ship. Coming so close to me. Got the whole ocean, but he's got a track right by me. Now I gotta deal with this wake. Got the Norwegian flag off the back. Let's see, it is 4:40 right now. Left the 9 Mile Bank a while ago. The wind's dying out, which is really, really nice. We're gonna make our way over to La Jolla. LJ. We're not going to get to the weather buoy today, but we'll follow the 6 Mile Bank here out over to it, stop at the airplane on the way. There's OB, green tank. I'm trying to get a white sea bass from there recently. So you got green tanks, you got the jetty kelp right there. That's where I caught the halibut back in March. And then, of course, we got La Jolla. So, let's make our way. LJ. On the way to LJ. A little bit of birds, a little bit of action. We'll get jiggy with it with the Colt Sniper. Start trolling the Nomad again. 90 feet of water, perfect. All right, here we go. Back to trolling. We're gonna troll all the way through LJ at 90 feet, sunset troll. See what happens. White sea bass. That's what I really want. That would be incredible. Take what you can get though. Reap without complaint. Bait going crazy, boils right around me. Draw my Colt Sniper straight down through them. Not seeing any big marks, but we'll jig it. All right, got a mackerel, that's perfect. Here we are, sunset, La Jolla, just trolling still. Live bait now. Moon coming up in the distance with the Solo Skiff. Check out that moonrise. And then you got the classic, the sunset. All right, that wraps it up for today. We're gonna call it a day, but we'll be out here tomorrow, bright and early to get them. Man, that's a cool moon. Really cool moon tonight. $4:50 in the morning. We're going to Green Tanks Point Loma out of Mission Bay for some white sea bass. I got a feeling it's around the full moon. It should be fishy out there. Here we are, Dana Landing. My new ramp. No more ski beach. It's all good. Leaving Dana Basin. The new home launch ramp. We're going to be doing a lot of fishing out of here this summer, but it's going to be busy too. And he hit me up and said, hey, I heard you posted something about salmon off the Solo Skiff, because that's all my visions and all my dreams right now are just salmon from the Solo Skiff, salmon from the Solo Skiff. So Matt hits me up, hey, I caught salmon out of Half Moon Bay, Monterey, and Shelter Cove. He goes, Shelter Cove is like a mini Alaska. So I started looking at it and I get chills even thinking about it. It looks like a morning here right now at Shelter Cove with the fog and stuff, but that is one of the coolest places, California, Lost Coast. I'm going this fall. All love with the Solo Skiff here in Mission Bay. Heading out to Green Tanks for gray light white sea bass. We're prepped, we're ready. We're gonna get them. See if we can make some max right here. Try for some bait. All right, so that's going now. I got my fish finder rigged out, okay? Got all my rods and reels on my holders, on my A-trails, my gaff ready to go. Ice bag and bait, frozen water bottles for when I catch a fish with frozen dead squid in it, where I can put my clothes after I get too hot in here with my extra coffee, sunscreen and stuff. And then I got quick essentials here in a dry bag with my coffee. And then inside I got my extra gas. This is the money right here. 3 gallons with my 2 lithium ion batteries rigged up. One to the bait tank pump, which is right here. Boom. That's sucking water up from the middle underneath. And then I have my other, this is the bait tank quick disconnects I made. And then this right here is the fish finder hooked up. So that's how I'm rigging the Solo Skiff. Pretty nice. Dialed, confident. All right, here we got the bait barge over there, Mission Bay bait barge. Can we catch our own live bait from the Solo Skiff? Unless I'm gonna go patty hopping for sure, first day this summer. If I'm fishing the kelp, I catch greenbacks, big mackerel. They don't sell mackerel there at the bait barge. So you'll watch me today. I'm gonna catch greenbacks for the white sea bass. Not spend money over there on some of that bait and buy a whole bunch. More bait isn't better. One fat, juicy, slimy greenback will get bit way better than 100 sardines. Ask any salty, seasoned fisherman, and they know this. So, all right, here we go. We're gonna be heading out through the fog. Let's get some. All right, so here we go. We're gonna be leaving Mission Bay, navigating the fog. On our way out somewhere over there to Green Tanks, Point Loma. Trying for white sea bass, but here we go. Got OB pier. Oh snap, I just have an idea. There's the Ocean Beach Pier. It's shut down right now because of COVID. Well, I can still fish it from the Solo Skiff because I'm not on it. So we're gonna be fishing the pier on the way in. Perfect. All right, so it's 6 a.m. now. We're out here at Green Tanks. It's all fogged out, you can't see anywhere. We're gonna try to make some bait as we jig this rock, the hookup bait, and go for white sea bass. First calico here on the hookup. Nice chunky one. Yeah. The calico, match the hat. That's what I'm using. It's that hookup bait. Got another fish. Nice rockfish. Some ceviche time. Little rockfish on the hookup bait. Keep that for some ceviche. Put it on the ice. Make sure he stays in. Get him on ice. Keep him fresh. One. Check that out. The calico on the sabiki. That's how thick they are right now. Calico on the sabiki. That's the first for me. That's a keeper size too, but I'm not keeping calicos today. Probably why I'm catching so many. See what's going down at the pier. OB pier we're gonna fish. Don't get this opportunity very much. Sand bass, a little pooper, but I'll take it at the OB pier. These hookup baits just kill it on the bass. Yep, we're going Bass Masters, OB Pier now. Get the gaff shot on the pillow. Dirty ass people. Maybe this will bring me a good fish. Fish on the good jig. Got some weight to it, I like it. Big old salmon or sand bass. I'm not gonna keep them. Chunky guy, 14 inches the minimum, but check this out. Pin this on the flat ball. Thank you, buddy. Send him back. Check this move out. We're gonna go the crab. Red crab and a shrimp. Caught the red crab through the belly of a sand bass. Got a Hobie rider. Make that all 3.
Bassmaster.
Yeah, what's up, Cliff?
Hey.
I was trying to call you on the radio. I was out at the upper 9. Here we go. On our way. Monterey. On the way to Monterey. Here we go. Sunset in San Diego. Here we go, Friday. Sunrise in Monterey, Saturday tomorrow. Sunday, Shelter Cove, Lost Coast, sunset. You.